Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's great to see you all here again. Today's video is gonna be insane. We've got something super exciting lined up for you. If you don't have money and you need money, watch this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel for more financial information. We're about to blow your minds with 30 businesses you can start and run right from your phone. Yes, you heard that right, 30. That's right, no office, no crazy investments, just you, your phone, and the hustle to make some serious cash. Imagine the freedom and flexibility you'll have. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to make a few extra bucks, or you're ready to dive headfirst into entrepreneurship, this video has got you covered. We've got ideas for everyone. We're talking about everything from social media to selling stuff online, to even becoming a full-blown CEO. All from the palm of your hand. The possibilities are endless. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of your phone and become your own boss, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get this money. Let's dive right in and explore these amazing opportunities together. Chapter 9. Become the next YouTube or TikTok sensation. Create engaging videos, build a following, and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and more. Chapter 8. Phone cameras are insane these days. Start a photography business and capture stunning photos and edit them right on your phone. Chapter 7. Got an eye for design? Turn your phone into a design studio and create logos, social media graphics, and more. Chapter 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is another awesome online business. You sell products online without ever touching any inventory. Online tutoring. Are you a math whiz? A history buff? Share your knowledge and get paid for it with online tutoring. Chapter 6. Freelance writing. If you've got a way with words, freelance writing could be your calling. Websites, blogs, and businesses are always looking for talented writers. Ever heard of affiliate marketing? It's like being a salesperson but online. You promote other people's products and get a commission for every sale you make. Next, we're talking about becoming a virtual assistant. Busy people always need help with their schedules, emails, and tasks. First up, we've got social media management. Everyone's on social media these days, but not everyone knows how to use it to grow their business. That's where you come in. Chapter 10. Ebook publishing. Write and sell your own ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Share your knowledge, stories, or expertise with the world. Chapter 11. Podcasting. Start your own podcast and share your thoughts, ideas, and interviews with the world. Build a loyal audience and monetize through ads or sponsorships. Chapter 12. Online surveys. Earn some quick cash by taking online surveys and sharing your opinions. It's not a lot of money, but it's an easy way to earn something in your free time. You can do it from anywhere, whether you're at home or on the go. Chapter 13. Stock photography. Capture high-quality photos and sell them online as stock images. Websites, bloggers, and businesses are always looking for great visuals. Chapter 14. T-shirt printing, also known as print on demand. Design and sell custom t-shirts without holding any inventory. Print on demand services handle everything from printing to shipping. Chapter 15. Voiceover work. Got a great voice? Use it. Offer your voiceover services for commercials, explainer videos, audiobooks, and more. Chapter 16. App testing. Get paid to test out new apps and websites. Provide feedback on user experience, functionality, and design. Chapter 17. Domain Flipping. Buy and sell domain names for a profit. Find catchy, memorable domain names and sell them to businesses or individuals. Chapter 18. Transcription Services. Convert audio and video recordings into text. This is a great option for those with good listening and typing skills. Chapter 19. Data Entry. Input data into spreadsheets or databases. It's a simple job that can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. Chapter 20. Translation Services. Know multiple languages? Translate documents, websites, or other materials for clients worldwide. Chapter 21. Digital products like courses, templates, or printables. Create and sell digital products such as online courses, templates, or printables. Once created, you can sell them passively online. Chapter 22. Social Media Influencer. Build a large following on social media and collaborate with brands to promote their products or services. Chapter 23. Reselling thrifted items. Find hidden treasures at thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces and resell them for a profit. Chapter 24. Mobile Car Wash Detailing. Offer on-demand car washing and detailing services. Travel to your customers' locations and clean their cars. Chapter 25. Love animals? Provide pet sitting or dog walking services to busy pet owners in your area. Chapter 26. Buy used phones or electronics at a discount, refurbish them if needed, and resell them for a profit. Chapter 27. Share your expertise and help others achieve their goals through online coaching. Offer personalized guidance and support. Chapter 28. Travel Planning Services. Plan and book trips for clients, including flights, accommodations, activities, and more. Chapter 29. Event Planning. Plan and coordinate events like parties, weddings, or corporate gatherings. Manage vendors, logistics, and guest lists. Chapter 30. Stock market trading, also known as day trading. Buy and sell stocks within the same trading day, aiming to profit from short-term price fluctuations. So there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today. 50 businesses you can start and run from your cell phone, right from the palm of your hand. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to supplement your income or something full-time to dive into, there's definitely something here for everyone. Remember, no business is without its challenges, and every journey has its ups and downs. But with the right mindset, dedication, and a bit of perseverance, you can turn any of these ideas into a profitable venture. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button to show your support, subscribe to the channel for more awesome business content and tips, and drop a comment below, letting me know which business idea you're thinking of starting. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video. Until then, keep hustling and stay inspired.